Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the easy steps to install the Google Docs apps on your phone. So if you guys on Google Docs, you probably knew that you can open the Google Docs file on Google Drive. But if you want, you can also install the Google Docs apps itself on your phone, and here is how to do that. So first, on your phone, just go to the Play Store and then at the search column at the top, so just click on the search column and add the keyword Google Docs. Click on the search, and then here the apps will be appear, and after that you can just click on install and wait for the installation process to finish. Okay, so you can just wait, and after it finish you can just open the apps and then start writing or open the existing files in your Google Docs, which is integrated with the Google Drive. Okay, I think that's all from me, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.